MoxiEngage Zillow Leads. If you have a Zillow account, you can automatically funnel new leads from Zillow right into your Engage workflow. Clicking on Setup Manage will allow you to set up the connection between Moxie and Zillow. When connecting a lead routing partner through Zillow Tech Connect, you will be asked for a key. This key is specific to your Engage account, and this will allow Zillow to route leads to you seamlessly. You can click Copy to automatically copy the key. Once you've pasted it to Zillow, click Done. You can also set up 2 automations for interacting with your new leads. Leads should be responded to within a short window of time in order to capture your lead's interest. Use the auto response email to help with early interaction, giving you the time you need to research the lead and come back to them fully prepared. Verify with your lead provider that there isn't already an automated communication process in place before you turn this option on. If there is, you may end up sending multiple introductions to your lead. The second automation is subscribing your new lead to start receiving neighborhood news, which allows you to immediately connect with your person through a monthly set and forget touchpoint. Setting up how you interact with your leads in Engage preferences can help make the process that much smoother for both you and your future client.